She's so happy we collected our keys. We are going to our new house now. It's finally day. We're collecting our keys. Yeah! We're excited. You know, we waited 5 years to collect our keys and we're back here again at HDB Hub. Oh, need to press our queue number. Hey, that's the place where everybody takes photo, the grass. Okay, please key in. We're just patiently waiting with our queue number. Whatever your appointment timing, you should come earlier, like half an hour, 45 minutes before you can actually get a queue number. And then probably you'll go in earlier. Oh, we are going. Collecting our keys now. Okay, let's go. Can't record, but okay. Well, that was a lot of documentation. We finally got our keys. She keeps me, but she's excited. You can take your photos. We have 2 different backgrounds. We can. Let's go to our house now. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! We threw the pineapple so much the juice is coming out. But let's show you. Whee! Alright, we'll do a proper house tour maybe tomorrow when the sun is brighter. Yeah. But the place is like kind of smaller than what I thought, man. Good morning, it's day 2 of our key collection. We are heading to our flat to do our defect checks before planning what kind of renovation we want to do. Let's go now. So the thing about this car park, right? It's super narrow. Super narrow, I don't understand why.
I don't even know if I can go in.
We are now in our new house. This is how it looks like. We have an empty living space. It's not really too big, but we have a balcony here, which our opposite view is a playground. And let's go to the kitchen. The kitchen also is not too big of a space. Everything already, you know, is furnished with the tiles and the wall tiles. And this is our service yard separated by this door. And we're going to build some window here so that we can prevent all the dust from coming in. Alright, along this corridor, this room we're probably going to hack it down. And this is one of our common bedroom. So this will be our living or dining area, which we're going to do. And this is the bomb shelter. And here we have the other room. This will be Kai Kai's room and probably our workstation, the common toilet, and the master bedroom. And I think one thing good about our unit is it's long, but it's also bad because it's not wide. And last but not least, our toilet. So stay tuned for our renovation as we see what kind of works that we are gonna do over here at this house. Bye-bye.